Hi guys, we're here at Agri-Fishery. For today's video guys, kay magkuan mi sa amo ang tubag mo guys. Sa amo ang PIT sa marketing. Of course, nag-prepare na ko sa materials guys. First, I'm gonna introduce myself. I am Renova Verdaso from BTHM 2B. This is the materials we needed when doing a marketing. The pruning chair, the grafting knife, and the soil. I'm using the pruning chair. Ako siyang ipatuyok-tuyok. And then other side, kailangan 1 inch. After that, ikaw na to siya ka ng kwaon na iyang coat. And then, kagisan din na iyang tree. Kagisan. Para mawala yung katong oil marag basa-basa. And then, kanina technique guys, kauna sis gisulodaan yung yuta. Tapos, para dali ba siya mahikot, o dali, hikot-hikot na siya. And then, mana na siya guys. Tapos na ang aking pag-market. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.